In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly log into Booksy and create an invoice for your clients. Whether you're new to Booksy or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be navigating this platform with ease. First things first, you need to navigate to the Booksy Biz web. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure that your login information is kept safe and private. Now that you're logged in, we can dive into managing your payments and invoices. From your dashboard, locate the payments section. Now, depending on your region, this might also appear as checkout or sales. Once you found it, click on it. This will take you to an overview of your financial transactions within Booksy. From the left-hand menu, you'll want to select Invoices. This will display all the invoices you've created to date. It's like having your own digital filing cabinet where you can see everything at a glance. To create a new invoice, locate and click the plus new invoice button. This will open up a new window where you can input all the necessary details. Start with your client's information. Enter their name, email, and phone number to ensure the invoice reaches them without any hitches. Next, it's time to add the specific services or products your client is purchasing. This step is all about customization. Choose from your menu and be sure to set the price and quantity. If you're offering any discounts, this is the perfect time to include those as well. When setting the invoice details, you'll want to assign an invoice number. Booksy does provide a number automatically, but feel free to edit it to fit your own organizational system. Also, decide on a due date for the payment. This helps to set clear expectations with your clients. Once everything looks good, you're ready to send the invoice. Click the Send button to email the invoice directly to your client. Alternatively, you can opt to copy the invoice link and share it manually through your preferred communication channel. After sending, you can keep track of the payment status by returning to the Payments section and clicking on Invoices. This feature allows you to monitor if your client has paid by checking in this area. Payments can be conveniently made online through the payment methods you've enabled within Booksy, and there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your invoices and ensure that your billing process runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy billing!